Well, of course, I expect to be entertained. I expect to learn so many things from this film. And basta naman binigay ng asawa ko yung kanyang all. And I'm sure I'm gonna expect something that's very exciting today.
Marian did a play with Ateneo before. I was able to watch it,
Yeah.
diba, online, because I know Ron din.
Yes.
So would there be any possibility of a near future project?
Oh, like
In theater,
full
yeah,
on,
yeah.
stage
Like,
play talaga. Oh,
yeah.
everything is possible kasi alam mo, syempre as actors and performers, we always want to push ourselves, diba? Try something new and explore different material, iba-iba yung mga ibang areas na hindi ka komportable sa loob sa ganitong klaseng larangan, pero gagawin mo para mag-grow ang iyong artistry. So I'm sure balang araw baka pasukin din ni Mare, at least masubukan man lang.